Help me! I'm dying!
Oh, that's just great. My Samsung Gear S3 Frontier won't even hold a charge. What do I got to do? Spend $300 on another smartwatch?
Stop. Just replace the battery.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Samsung Gear S3 Frontier smartwatch. No need to throw away a watch and buy a new one when you can just replace the battery for $15. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to provide the link below so you can order the same battery and kit. And I'm also going to change the watch band and give it a little freshen up. So I'll provide a link for that as well. In any case, let's do it over here and let's get to it. Come on. Okay, first up we have a box from Amazon, of course. It's always a large box with a smaller box in it. Let's open this up, see what's in there. All right, let's take that out, and yeah, there's the smaller box. Okay, let's move that out of the way. All right, we should have our tools and battery in here. Let's see what we have. Okay, so we should have a couple of screwdrivers here, which looks like we do. We have one larger one for the back, smaller one, pry bar, pry pick, and of course the battery.
Step 1, remove wristband.
Okay, first thing we're going to do is remove the watch band. So we pull this little tang right here, move that, go to the other side, and repeat.
Step 2, remove back cover screws.
We're going to remove these 4 screws. Alright, so we set the screws to the side.
Step 3, remove back cover.
Okay, we're going to have to remove the back cover, and we're going to use the pry pick to pry off the cover. You got to get it in there and it'll come apart. It might take a little doing.
Step 4, remove motherboard screws.
Now, these 2 screws, here and here. Set that aside.
Step 5, remove motherboard bands.
There, see that? One here, one in the middle, and one to the side. So we got 3. 1, 2, 3. I want you to take note before I pry this up. Right here, this is right by the button here side. This is your band that connects to the motherboard.
Step 6, open motherboard.
Now when we pry this up, we're going to use this as a hinge, and sometimes the battery is stuck to the back.
Step 7, remove battery.
If it's stuck, you just have to pull it apart and have it come off there. But you got to be careful with this hinge. It's very delicate. So now we're going to put the new battery in, and you're going to notice that it's to the side.
Step 8, install new battery.
It's to the side here, and it's bent so that when you put it in there, it's going to be just like that. And so we're just going to drop it in and see how that goes right there. And then this goes right in, and just push it in there. There it is. Now it's in there. This is where you're putting it, right here. Okay, so now we're going to close it up.
Step 9, install motherboard screws.
All right. And we're going to put the screws back in. Got to make sure it's seated. There we go.
Step 10, install motherboard bands.
Okay, now we're going to put the ribbons back on. And you don't have to force them, you just have to get it in the right spot. Okay, on 3.
Step 11, install back cover.
Now we're going to assemble it. As you can see, here and right here, they go together. Push it together and listen for the snap. Now you know it's on.
Step 12, install back cover screws.
Put the screws back in. Now, with the band off and the cover on, we're going to clean up the watch. We're going to give it a little polish and clean up, get all the little gook out of it. Let's just go through this. Let's turn it on, see if it... And we have success.
Step 13, lucky 13, install new wristband.
So we're going to change the band, and we're going to put it back together the same way. It goes in there. I can honestly say that after changing the battery, I get 24 hours on a single charge with a watch face that's on all day at a 7 brightness. It works better now than it did when I got it.
Power! I have power! I'm back, baby! Don't forget to like and subscribe!
Do yourself and me a favor and take a look at some of my other videos. I'm sure they're not what you're expecting. There we go.